Hello, learners! Welcome to Lecture 3 of the topic Introduction to Geometry. Before starting, if you haven't watched the previous lecture, you can watch it first by tapping the I button.
In this lecture, we are going to cover the following topics. First, we will introduce you to the concept of curves and then look at their types. Next, we will study the different components of a closed curve. And at last, we will deeply discuss polygons.
So, let's talk about curves. Have you ever taken a piece of paper and just doodled? The pictures that result from your doodling are called curves. Formally, a curve is a figure obtained by moving a pencil around a curved edge. Take a bangle or a coin and try to move your pencil by taking support of the edge. The figure obtained is a curve. Broadly, there are two types of curves, namely open curves and closed curves. Let's first talk about open curves. The curve whose starting point and end point are different is called an open curve. Consider this curve, which starts from point A and ends at another point B. It gives a clear example of an open figure. Here are some more examples for you. On the other hand, when we begin and end our curve from the same point, we get a closed figure. See the point A in the plane? I have drawn a curve from A and directed it back to A to get a closed curve. Here are some other examples of closed curves.
Now, we will talk about the components of a closed curve. Let us consider the following closed figure drawn on a plain paper, which has many points at different parts of the figure. The points are categorized as interior points, boundary points, and exterior points. Let's talk about each of them clearly. The area bounded inside the closed curve is called the interior of the curve, and the points lying inside it are called interior points. Here, points X, Y, and Z are interior points. The outline of the closed figure is called the boundary, and the points lying on it are called boundary points. Here, points A, B, and C are called boundary points. Lastly, the area outside the closed curve makes the exterior of that curve, and the points lying on that are called exterior points. Here, the points P, Q, and R are exterior points. Here, I want to tell one thing. The interior and the boundary together are termed as the region of the closed curve.
Now, we will study the term polygons. Polygons are defined as simple closed figures formed of 3 or more line segments. Here, by simple figure, we mean that the figure should not cross itself. Consider this polygon, named ABCD. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. Here, AB, BC, CD, and DA are the sides of our polygon. The meeting point of a pair of sides of a polygon is called its vertex. We observe that A, B, C, and D are the vertices of polygon ABCD. At last, the line segments joining the opposite or non-adjacent vertices of a polygon are called its diagonals. Here, AC and BD are the diagonals of the given polygon. At the end, I have provided a table consisting of different types of polygons for you. You can pause the video and go through them. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this lecture. We will meet again in the next lecture.